All right, hi guys. I'm gonna show you how to pull a hot shot for your at-home espresso needs. For espresso, you always wanna make sure your grinds are fine. The more coarse, the more it's gonna look like regular coffee and not really act as espresso. So I'm gonna cut it on, flicking my grinds into my portafilter. You also might have one of these at home as well. I know I did when I had my little espresso machine. You're supposed to put 30 pounds approximately of pressure, and then you should be able to flip it. Boom, that's a good shot, I already know. So for our sizing, we have 16 and 20 ounce. For a 16 ounce, we use 2 ounces of our espresso, whether it be hot or iced espresso. For a large, we would do the 3 ounces. Boom. And you just let it do its thing. Our espresso we use in shop for all of our drinks is dark roast. We used to offer both medium dark and dark, but most people only wanted the dark roast, so we just cut it at that. So I stopped it a little above our tube just so you can kind of see the layers. That foam on top is called crema. That's exactly what you're looking for when you know you got a good shot. And then you'll see your layers. This is like a medium colored layer and then a darker layer. And that's how you know you've got that perfect shot ready to go in your drink. All right, and then you have your espresso. 2 ounces of our dark roast espresso you can make right at home. Thank you, enjoy.